Hello students, today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. This is very important lesson in your 10th SSC as well as CBSE board, and I have bring some techniques and easy way to make this concept easy for you. So please watch the video till the end and let us begin with the concept linear equation in two variable. For the first, let us understand what is equation in maths. Equation word we have heard about in science, but in mathematics, equation is the combination of the numbers and the variable. Variable means alphabets. In maths, we called alphabets as variables. So, equation means the combination of numbers and variables. Now, let us talk about linear equation. What is linear equation? The equation in which the numbers and variables power is 1. It is called as linear equation. Now power you can call it as degree, it as index, means the upper number like square, cubes, 4 raised to 4 raised to 5. The power, or you can say degree, or you can say index number, these are only 1. Then and then only that equation is considered as a linear equation. Now coming to our lesson, that is linear equation in two variables. So here there are two variable. Variable, as said before, variable means what? Alphabets. Very good. Alphabet, जो alphabet है उसको बोलते हैं variables. So the variables are how much? Two variables, means it can be A and B, X and Y, P or Q. So there is linear equation in two variable. We are clear that there will be numbers, there will be variables, and there will be only two variables, and this equation will be called as linear equation in two variable. We have to see various questions regarding this. There are several exercises and we are going to solve it by different methods which are in your syllabus, in your portion, and we are going to solve a few sums with that to make the concept more clear and to make it easy for you to study the equations. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So let us begin with the examples to identify whether the following equations are linear equations or not. So let us check the first example, that is 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. So here the basic need for linear equation is what? The general form is, that is, yes, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are numbers and x and y both represent variables. So in this example, in this equation, see, 4, 3 is equal to 12, that is 0 there. So we can convert that, no? If it is 12 at the right hand side, we can take it on the left hand side, it will become minus 12. It was plus on the right hand side, it will become minus 12. The equation will form like 4m plus 3n minus 12 is equal to 0. Nothing is on the right hand side, so it will be 0 there. So you can write it down. Yes, it is a linear equation. And taking the 12 on left hand side, it will become a general form of linear equation. So yes, it is a linear equation. Let us see the second one. What is it? 3x square plus 7y is equal to 13. First convert, but before converting, see the raised to, x raised to 2, that is x square, x raised to 2, the index number, what the index number should be? The index number should be 1. We have seen that the index number for the linear equation should be 1. So obviously this doesn't fits in the general form of linear equation, so this is not a linear equation, so no linear equation. तो लीनियर इक्वेशन चेक करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? दो चीज़ें. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज द equation general form, that is a, b and c on left hand side. is equal to 0. If it is on the right hand side, convert it. And second thing, that is the index number, the degree number or the power. So that should be 1 and not any other number, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. So in the second question you have seen that there is power is 2, so it is not a linear equation. Let us go to the third thing, that is 2x minus 5y is equal to 16. Can you identify whether it is a linear equation or not? Yes, very good. It is a linear equation. You have converted the left hand side, you have changed it from the right hand side to the left hand side. That is 2x minus 5y minus 16 is equal to 0. Yes, correct. It is a linear equation. Now let us see the next example. That is 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. See here, there is one alphabet missing, that is x, and the number for x is nothing, but still it is a linear equation, as we can take it as 0x. 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. It can form a linear equation. If any one variable is present and another variable is missing, you can take that variable number as 0 and we can write it down. So it is very easy. So it is a linear equation because there is no power more than 1 and there are present two variables.